guys, and welcome back to another one of these Target Best of box unboxings, or bag, I guess. This one is the Best of Skincare, so I love the color of this bag. And unlike the Best of Hair, there's no leakiness on it, so good. This is valued at over $33, which, given I paid $15 for it, not bad. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. I do love the color of this. It, like, speaks to my inner 80s child, especially since the color of the zipper is pink. It's like these two colors together is like the 80s color combo summed up. So, let me go ahead in here. Got the tissue paper. Alright, and we've got another plastic bag, but thankfully not slimy this time. And more tissue paper. Okay. Where's the edge of this thing? Like, I'd like to open it, but there it is, okay. Whoop! Alright. So, we're gonna just blindly reach in. What is this? Oh. Well, we have instructions for one of the items, but it's not the item itself. Oh, it goes with this. So this is the Vichy Laboratories V Left-Active Specialist Peptide C Ampules for Anti-Aging. Is this supposed to be in English? It's like in French. Or actually, they've got it in a whole lot of languages. Instantly hydrates and plumps in 10 days. Smooths, brightens, and firms. In 1 month, revitalizes and improves appearance of wrinkles. Super activated formula, no fragrance. So I would assume an ampule is like a single-use dealio. So I won't be able to find out just how much good it does in that amount of time from one ampule. Well, maybe. I don't know. On this it claims half an ampule is for one use. So this is like 2 uses on this guy. Just crazy, but something tells me this product does not come cheap, so. We've got, what is this? SLMD. Sandra Lee MD Salicylic Acid Cleanser, Exfoliating Face Wash and Acne Treatment. It looks like a step 1 of 3 thing. 0.5% salicylic acid. Okay. And it just like has all the usual ingredients, directions, purpose when using this product, etc., etc. But not a bad size for a sample of an acne treatment, honestly. Usually they're a little smaller than this, so I am not complaining. Usually it's like a half an ounce. This one's a full ounce at least, so okay. Not complaining there. We've got, oh, they're really going hard with the Cetaphil. So we've got a little teeny tiny sample of the Daily Facial Cleanser, which we're back to the itty bitty sizes, but that's okay because I got the bigger one in the other box, so that's alright by me. I can use it in conjunction with. We've got an itty bitty Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Nourishes dry skin. Clinically proven healthier looking skin in 1 day. So, okay. You only need a little bit of it to see if it does any good. So that's cool. For some reason, I thought that was an itty bitty shampoo because of the shape of the bottle. We've got a teeny tiny CeraVe. This is the Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser for normal to dry skin. A little bigger than some of the samples I've seen of this stuff. Cleanses without disrupting the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, and it removes makeup. Okay. Not complaining. I'd like to try some CeraVe. Oh, you don't usually see samples of this like that. This is Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. Immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day. Easy to apply. Oh, that's so crazy. I've never seen a lotion in an aerosol like that. That's so freaking cool. I am intrigued as hell by that one. Wow, I did not even know that was a thing. Oh, there's an itty bitty. Oh, it's La Roche-Posay. Of course it's itty bitty. They're always itty bitty with them. This is their Retinol B3 Serum. So it's anti-wrinkle concentrate, renewing and resurfacing. Which is funny because I just used the Murad one of these today. But yeah, not too shabby to at least try it out anyway. Get at least a few uses out of it. And then, ironically, I think we got these both from a Target beauty box before. The CeraVe AM and PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. The AM is with sunscreen, has broad spectrum SPF 30, and the PM one is oil free. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Anyway, yeah, you know, for 15 bucks, all of these, it's not terrible, but, yeah, it's kind of like the same stuff I would have expected for the old school $7 Target beauty boxes, but beggars can't be choosers. I would rather take this over nothing, which, given we thought those had come to a close, can't complain. Plus, we get a cute bag now, so really, really can't complain. So, anyways, just getting stuff out of the way. We've got 3 more of these to do tonight. We've got Best of Cosmetics, Best of Mascara, and what's this last one? Best of Clean Beauty, all to go still. So, hopefully you guys will stay tuned. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.